If Opera is showing you a too many redirects error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get the website loading again. This is a common browser issue, and it usually happens because of bad cookies, site data, a VPN conflict, or even a browser extension causing the page to loop back and forth. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear the problem and test what's causing it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to the website that is giving you the redirect error. Look just to the left of the website address in the address bar and click the padlock icon or the tune icon. This opens the site permissions and data options for that specific website. From here, click site settings or cookies and site data, depending on what Opera shows you. Then choose manage cookies and site data. You should now see the stored data for that website. Next, look for the trash can icon next to the website's domain name and click it to remove the saved cookies and site data. This is one of the most effective fixes because redirect errors are often caused by corrupted or conflicting site data. Once you delete it, close the menu and refresh the page. In many cases, the website should load normally after that. If you still see the same error, the next thing to check is Opera's built-in VPN. Click the VPN badge to the left of the address bar, then toggle the switch to off. Sometimes VPN routing can trigger redirect problems, especially on websites that don't handle location changes or repeated verification correctly. After turning it off, try reloading the website again and see if the error disappears. If the page is still not working, the next step is to open a private browsing window. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard to open a new private window in Opera. Then type the website URL again and try loading the site from there. Private mode usually starts without the same cookies, cache, or saved session data, so it's a great way to check whether the issue is coming from your browser profile or from the site itself. If the website loads perfectly in the private window, that usually tells you the problem is coming from extensions or stored browser data in your normal window. At that point, go to your extensions and begin turning off any unwanted ones one by one. Focus especially on ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, VPN extensions, coupon tools, or anything else that changes how websites load. After disabling an extension, return to the site and test it again. That helps you identify the exact extension causing the redirect loop. If needed, you can keep narrowing it down by turning extensions off in batches until the website works. Once you find the one causing the issue, leave it disabled for that site or remove it completely if it's no longer needed. This simple process can save you a lot of frustration and prevent the same redirect error from coming back later. So to recap, the main fixes are clearing the site's cookies and data, turning off Opera's VPN, testing the website in a private window, and disabling any problematic extensions. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the too many redirects error fast. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful browser and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.